welcome back to the channel, and I'm sure you guys already know by the title of this video what the topic for today's video is going to be. See, I have been meaning to give my room a makeover for the longest time because I was getting really bored with however it looked like before. So yeah, it took me a while to sort of manage everything, to sort things out, to keep the things that I wanted but with a new twist, and to take old things out and to put new things in, and to manage my budget and to add my personal touch to it and things like that. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much satisfied with however it has turned out to be. So I think that is pretty much all what today's video is going to be. You guys make sure to watch it till the end. And what else? Let's jump into the makeover. So this is what my room looks like right now, and I thought of giving you all a pre-makeover tour of it. And yeah, I know my room looks very messy and clumsy at the same time, and also I was getting very bored of the decoration pieces even if I myself made them, but that's all right. Hence I thought to give a makeover to my room. So without wasting any more time, let's just get started with the makeover. So for the very first thing, I'm cleaning my room by taking out all the decorations that I previously had in my room. So that's that. I'm removing every decoration pieces. So starting off with the curtain of my room, I had to go for this red heart-shaped transparent one which I've been eyeing on Flipkart for the longest time. By the way guys, everything will be mentioned in the description down below in case if you wanna check them out. So right after you enter my room, there's this big window on the right side which was looking very empty, so I thought to put something, and what's better than plants, right? So I put this money plant which is a real one, and for the pot of it I have made it out of old plastic bottle by just coloring it, and the plant is growing very well. I just keep it under the sun for once or twice a week and it's looking really pretty. And now moving towards the bed, I had this green bed sheet which was not going well with the green wall, so I had to change it, and I went for these multicolored ones and with that matching pillow covers. And to add some colors, there's this my teddy. And here the wall behind my bed is looking very empty, so I had to go for something, and I went for this painting which I myself made and I put it here. And there's a reason behind it, which is whenever I take a mirror selfie, the painting will show through the mirror right there, just like that. Here I am moving the mini cabinet slash cupboard from this side to that side so that my room looks bigger. So yeah, this is how I kept it, and I so wished my aquarium bowl to fit in that gap, but it didn't, so I had to keep it here. And for the motor and the oxygen pump of it, I had to bring some electricity, so I had to drag the connection from the original switchboard of my room, in which my brother helped me. And now this section, which my mom used to use as a mandir, is now replaced with this wall wardrobe slash vanity, which I got custom made from one of the local carpenters, which has a two doors, one transparent and one with a mirror. Now that it's my vanity, I had to go for some white lighting, so I went for these big and the small one. And to make it more fancy, I had to go for these LED strip lights, which I went for blue because blue is an absolute beautiful color. And the LED strip is around all the four sides of the vanity so that it looks complete. And I know I could go for four different colors on each side, but the reason being the color of my room is green, I thought blue would look the best, and undoubtedly it does. And I believe four different colors at such a small space will kind of mess it up, so trust me, when the other lights are off, the blue gives the best vibe, just the picture perfect look. Now inside the left door on the top shelf, I have kept this pen stand which has an hourglass which looks absolutely pretty. I love these kind of hourglasses. And on the pen stand I have kept this broken piece of showpiece. Beside that I have kept this showpiece which I got on my birthday, and these two are just not any simple 1 rupee coin. These are my paintings which I have hand painted on these 1 rupee coins. And on the second shelf, I have this picture of mine from my childhood when I was, I think, 4 or 5 years old, when I used to wear only boys' clothes, and my mom got this picture clicked, and I think it looks super cute. And towards the left, I have my mini spell collection, which you'll know if you're a Potterhead. So, this is my Wolfsbane potion, this is my Immortant tear, this is Phoenix tears, this is Flu powder, and this is Elixir of Life, Felix Felicis, Veritaserum, Polyjuice potion, Unicorn blood, and these are all made by me. And on the second last shelf, I have this basket in which I keep all my random stuffs like my lip balm and my other lip balm and my clips and pins and a very important ointment and my comb and Digene and another lip balm and a Hajmola ka dabba and other random stuffs like that which I use on a daily basis. Now moving towards the bottom shelf, I have the ultimate treasure owned by me, and that is my Harry Potter book set, and in front of that lies my wand to protect my utmost treasure, which again is made by me. And let me know guys, if you want a tutorial of it, I'd love to share. And yeah, being a Potterhead, I have to have this. And trust me guys, if you are a Harry Potter fan and you don't have this book set, go get one because you're missing something. So those are the 7 jewels, and above that I have the Harry Potter bookmark, which again was made by me. And just by the way, if you guys are wondering, I'm currently reading the second book for the second time, and that was it for the left section. And now towards the right, talking about what's in my vanity is that, oh no, that's not what I'm gonna tell you now. For that you'll have to like this video and comment down whether you want a vanity tour or not. I'll love to do it. So yeah, this is the overview of how my room looks like after all the transformations that I've done to it. And I'm not going into very brief tour because I would love to do a detailed room tour. If you guys want to, make sure you comment down below if you want me to do so. I'd love to do it. And yeah, I'm loving the new look. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys like these ideas, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button. Also, you can give me more ideas in the comments, and please share this video with your friends, family and everybody out there. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button. I will see you in my next video. Till that time, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.